What's going on, guys? It's your man King K back again with another video. So I just got the S20 Ultra from Samsung, and today I'm basically going to be doing a little bit of a video review of the camera because apparently it has one of the best cameras in the market right now, and I must say I've been quite impressed so far with the quality of the image and the video that I've been taking from the phone. All in general, the phone looks amazing. It feels sturdy and it feels like, it feels like a flagship phone that, is worth the money. Now, don't get me wrong. It's a lot of money. I believe its MSRP is at $1,800 right now. But definitely, I would recommend that anybody wanting to make the decision on buying this phone should take the leap because what I've been able to get out of this phone so far is amazing quality all around. Okay, now I'm recording this part of the video with my Google Pixel 3 XL, but I'm going to switch to the Samsung S20 Ultra very soon to kind of give you guys a feel of what the camera looks like. So now I'm shooting this part of the video with the S20 Ultra back camera, which has up to 108 megapixels and also it has a telephoto lens. The zoom on it is actually quite impressive. I'll have to tell you, I'm super impressed at how much you can actually get and how much quality still, is able to be seen in the zoom when taking videos or photos. I'm going to show an example of that right now. I'm going to zoom into this boat and you can see there's still a lot of clarity, which is quite amazing. And also when you do that, it automatically amplifies the microphone sound as well. This is a front-facing camera of 40 megapixels from the phone. Selfie game just changed, okay? So this is back to the back camera. Amazing quality, as you can see, 4K shooting. Very stable, I'd say, too. There's not a lot of distortions going on. This is all handheld footage. And it just looks amazing. Straight off the camera without any editing, it just looks amazing. Now I'm just chilling by the docks, and I gotta tell you, it's such an amazing view, but the way the camera captures it, it's so cinematic. It looks like, I'm basically just shooting a movie, and I love that feeling. I love just being able to pick up my phone and just start shooting movie-like quality right off the bat.